Hey guys, hope you are good. So today I'm gonna teach you a complex question of Kirchoff's voltage law. So please watch the class till end and you will solve this question in few minutes. And how, let's see. So this is our today's question. We have 5 resistances and 3 voltage sources. So let us first of all give direction to our current. Let us assume our current I1 is going in this direction and our current I2 is going in that direction. You can take any direction in this loop. You can also take this direction, but I have taken this direction. Okay, there's no problem at all and you will get the same answer. This is our loop L1, this is our loop L2. So step 1, applying KVL at loop L1, and we will get 15 minus 10 equal to 2I1 plus 4I2 I1 and plus 8, as this current is going in upward direction and this current is going in downward direction. That's why we will take 8I1 minus I2, and on solving this equation we will get 5 equal to 14I1 minus 8I2, and this is our equation number 1. Now step 2, applying KVL at loop L2, and we will get 20 minus 15 equal to 6I2 plus 5I2 and plus 8 I2 minus I1, and on solving this we will get 5 equal to 19I2 minus 8I1, and this is our equation number 2. So on solving equation number 1 and equation number 2, we will get I1 equal to 0.67 ampere and I2 equal to 0.54 ampere. So this much is this question is. So gentlemen, this is all about this question. So please subscribe to my channel. I need your support, gentlemen. I am working so hard, so please subscribe to my channel, like the video and share among your friends. If you have any suggestion and want any other question to be discussed here, do comment below. In our next video we will learn few more questions. Thank you.